What's your name?
My name is Shaidai.
Shaidai, what class do you study?
I study in grade 5.
Which school do you go?
DPS State School, Dhaka.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths.
Math. Why do you like math?
Honestly, math is a really interesting subject to me, even though some might say it's really difficult and confusing.
But you don't feel confusing? Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher would probably be Fatima ma'am.
Why do you like her so much?
She was a really good teacher. She always used to finish the studies first and also sometimes combine some fun with studies, which all of the students, I'm pretty sure, really liked about her.
What qualities a teacher should have?
A teacher should have good speaking skills. They should be extroverted so they can talk to the student properly and understand them.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have friends.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I usually listen to music and play video games.
You like to play video games? Isn't it harmful?
It is, so I don't play that long. I play for around 2-3 hours maybe, and then I play outside or just finish up some homework.
Don't you like to play cricket or football?
Yeah, I play cricket and football.
Both.
Yeah.
Which is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport would be football.
What do you like about your country? What things attract you?
In my country, the two main things that attract me are the diversity, because many modern countries or developing countries, they tend to not have that much greenery. But in Bangladesh, the government has tried to keep the greenery. And the second thing is the fast growing economy. In 2023, Bangladesh had the fastest growing economy and they were trying to develop the country, which I really like.
Okay. Have you ever visited other countries?
Yes, I've visited countries like Thailand and Malaysia. Yeah.
Thank you so much. I really enjoyed talking to you.
Thank you.